A very good day. My name is Mugunthan Jayabalan. My matrix number is 203646. My partner over there is Ahmad Azfar bin Ahmad Yahnin. His matrix number is 200315. And we are here to discuss and elaborate about our topic, organic farming. We are from LP 2301 Group 24. Our lecturer's name is Mr. Shafiq Mazlan. So going on to the topic, what is organic farming? Organic farming is a method where we used to farm without the use of pesticides, chemical herbicides, which involves much more than choosing not to use pesticide fertilizers, genetically modified organisms, antibiotics, and growth hormones. Organic production is a holistic system designed to optimize the productivity and fitness of diverse communities within the agro ecosystem, including soil, organisms, plants, livestock, and people. The principal goal of organic production is to develop enterprises that are sustainable and harmonious to the environment. Moving on to my first point, which is organic farming reduces the production cost. From the point, we can say that organic farming reduces the production costs in a way where we could reduce the usage of fertilizers, and we could reduce the production, the buying of fertilizers and chemical subjects. So this is my first point. As a supporting point for my first point, organic farming does not practice to use chemicals in the management. The second one is organic farming focuses on the usage of organic matters such as earthworms, microbes, dead plant parts, and animal waste as a replacement for chemical usage to provide nutrients for the crops. As we can see in the picture, organic fertilizers, they also nourishes the organic matter in the soil, gives plants nutrients. The soil nutrients is nourished and the microorganism is also nourished. Unlike chemical fertilizers, it only helps for the plant nutrients. Moving on. Organic farming can spare the production cost for other use. We can see here by reducing the usage and reducing the buying of fertilizers, chemical fertilizers and herbicides, we could spare that cost for other values. Number one, production cost that has not been used for chemical purchase can be utilized more efficiently for other management costs and increase the labor cost. Number two, farmers can spare the production cost more wisely at the beginning stage of farming, crop maturity stage, harvesting process, post-harvest process, and increased cost for wages. So rather than using the production cost for unwanted chemical fertilizers, very expensive chemical usage, herbicides and stuff, we could use it for the wages, and the farming, the organic farming would be nourished even more. That's all from me.
Okay, move to other points, which is the benefits of the organic farming. Okay, on my point, organic farming will slow down global warming. Okay, which is we can reduce greenhouse effects. Okay, as we know, usage of chemicals in form of fertilizers, herbicides, and pesticides, which directly apply to the crops, will then release to the air and will react with carbon dioxide. Okay, these chemicals, fertilizer will harm our environment and produce any pollution. Okay, those reaction is one of the factors that influence this global warming, which makes farmers to practice organic farming rather than conventional farming. Okay, basically organic farming will also maintain long-term soil fertility by optimizing condition for biological activity within the soil. Okay, next, differences between organic farming and conventional farming. The conventional, for my first supporting point, conventional farming is where the farming practices high usage of chemicals in form of fertilizers, pesticides, and growth hormone, which they release in the air and influence global warming. Okay, we need to practice more organic farming, which can protect the environment, minimize soil degradation and erosion, decrease pollution, optimize biological activity, and promote a sound state of help. The next, organic farming is a good practice that all the farmers should apply in their daily agriculture practices. In this practice, the usage of chemicals are avoided so that the crops could grow in the healthier way. Okay, it's also affect the crop production, which is the non-usage of chemicals will make the crop production more fresh, more healthier, and it didn't affect our uh, healthy of the food. Okay, for the conclusion, in the conclusion, organic farming can be a viable alternative production methods for farmers, but there are many challenges. One key to success being open to alternative organic approaches to solving production problems. Determine the cause of the problem and assess strategies to avoid or reduce the long-term problem rather than a short-term fix for it. Okay, as we know, there are many challenges in the plantation, such as pests and diseases, hosts and predators, and other challenges that will make the farmers not to do not practicing the organic farming. But we need to give an extra effort on this organic farming that can promote the use of crop rotation and cover crops and encourage balanced host of and predators relationship. Okay, this uses of organic residue and nutrients produced on the farm are recycled back to the soil. So it also maintain the soil fertility, and will save our environment and also make our environment more harmony and uh, healthy air. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.